Okay. They wanted a place where didn't have to lock up. They wanted water and good times. They didn't want the door locked. And they didn't want it easy to get to.
That's a 4 for 4.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Perfect fit.
Yeah.
The gold, and I sought it. I scrabbled and mucked like a slave. Was it famine or scurvy? I fought it, and I hurled my youth into a grave. I wanted the gold, and I got it, and I came out with a fortune last fall. Yet somehow life's not what I thought it. Somehow the gold isn't all. No, there's the land. Have you seen it? It's the cussedest land that I know, from the big dizzy mountains that screen it to those deep, death-like valleys below. Some say God was tired when he made it. Some say it's a fine land to shun. Maybe. But there's some that would trade it for no land on earth, and I'm one. Come to get rich, damn good reason. You feel like an exile at first. You hate it like hell for a season, and then you're the worst of the worst. It grips you like some kind of sinning. It twists you from foe to a friend. Seems like it's been that way since the beginning. It seems like it will be to the end. I've stood in some mighty-mouthed hollow that's plumb full of hush to the brim. I've watched that big husky sun wallow in crimson and gold and grow dim, till the moon set the pearly peaks gleaming, and the scars tumbled out neck and crop, and I thought surely I was dreaming, with the piece of the earth piled on top. The summer, no sweeter was ever. The sunshiny woods all a-thrill, the grayling a-leap in the river, and the bighorn asleep on the hill. The strong life that never knows harness, the wilds where the caribou call, the freshness, the freedom, the farness. Oh God, how I'm stuck on it all. The winter, the brightness that blinds you, the white land locked tight as a drum, the cold fear that follows, finds you, and the silence that bludgeons you dumb. The snows that are older than history, the woods where the weird shadows slant, the stillness, the moonlight, the mystery. I bade him goodbye, but I can't. There's a land where the mountains are nameless, and all the rivers run God knows where. There are lives that are erring and aimless and deaths that just hang by a hair. There are hardships that nobody reckons. There are valleys unpeopled and still. There's a land. Oh, it beckons and beckons. And I want to go back, and I will. They're making my money diminish, and I'm sick of the taste of champagne. Thank God when I'm skinned to a finish, I'll pike to the Yukon again.
So I'm making a really good spaghetti sauce here. It's not too crap to get it started. We get some like fresh mushrooms with a little bit of reindeer sausage.
Ooh, that smells
And
good.
then simmering in the rosemary and oregano. And then we're gonna add the spaghetti sauce. Parmesan.
Fancy.
And little dinner rolls.
All right,
So
sounds
let's
good.
sit a little bit, not too long because we don't have a lot of fuel.
Couldn't ask for better. Outstanding. Excellent.
Damn fine work, Sally.
I'll fight, and you bet it's no sham fight. It's hell, but I've been there before, and it's better than this by a damn sight. So me for the Yukon once more. There's gold, and it's haunting and haunting. It's luring me on as of old. Yet you know, it isn't the gold that I'm wanting so much as just finding that gold. It's that great, big, broad land way up yonder. It's the forest where silence has lease. It's the beauty that thrills me with wonder and the stillness that fills me with peace.